Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Charlene. North Goa District Road Safety Committee under the chairmanship of the District Collector convened a meeting on Tuesday, 20th February. The primary focus of the meeting was to discuss and implement measures aimed at improving road safety across the district. A key decision taken during the meeting was the unanimous recommendation to establish road safety and traffic management cells in every village, panchayat and municipality. Watch.
सगळे पंचायतीन आणि म्युनिसिपॅलिटीन ह्यो कमिटी काडपाक जाय म्हणून नोटिफिकेशन जाल्लेलें आसा पूण खुबशे पंचायतीन अजून ते एक्टिव्ह जावना. सो बाय 31 मार्च तेंची नांवां ओके मिटींग घेतली की घेवंक ना सो दॅट एप्रोप्रिएट ट्रेनिंग वील बी प्रोवायडेड टू देम. ह्या कमिटीक ट्रेनिंग दितले की बाबा कितें करपाचें, खंयच्या ऑफिसराक एप्रोच करपाचो, एक झिब्रा क्रॉसिंग की स्पीड ब्रेकर करपाक जाय नोटिफिकेशन करपा खातीर कितें प्रोसिजर हे सगळी म्हायती स्थानीक लोकांक दिवप हो आयज निर्णय जाल्लो आसा. कित्याक सेंट्रल लेवलाचेर हे मॉनिटर करपाक खंयचेच शक्य ना आनी हे चेंज जातलो जाल्यार ह्या कमिटीक ही सगळी म्हायती पावपाक जाय. सो हो म्हत्वाचो आयज थाराव जाला आनी जे कामां आयज जे आमी लिस्ट केल्लेले आसा ते मॉनिटरींग सेल आतां फॉलोअप करतले. मॉनिटरींग सेल जे अपॉयंट जाल्लेले आसा टू फॉलो अप द डिसिजन ऑफ द डिस्ट्रिक्ट रोड सेफ्टी कमिटी. हे काम चेअरमॅन आसा DYSP ट्रॅफिक बाब शिरोडकर आणि मेंबर सेक्रेटरी एन्फोर्समेंट असिस्टंट डायरेक्टर बाब सेड्रिक तो मेंबर सेक्रेटरी. ही आता मॉनिटरींग सेल ती फुडें जबाबदारी घेतली. All departments who are the members, for example, DMA was present, health was present, education was present, transport, Kadamba, PWD, traffic cell. आम्ही आता मागल्या की ह्या नोटिफिकेशनान टुरिझम डिपार्टमेंट ॲड करचे कित्याक खुबशे केसीस जे येता आमी पळयतात रेंट बायक रेंट कार आनी तेंची अवेरनेस जावपा खातीर आणि डायरेक्टर ऑफ पंचायत.
Murmugaon Planning and Development Authority carried out partial demolition of 3 houses in Funnel Zone despite the owners obtaining all permissions and naval NOC. The residents had already taken the NOC to construct houses up to 3.5 meters high. Now, without any prior demolition notice, the Navy has ordered to reduce the height to only 1.60 meters.
नेव्हीच्या खातीर नेव्हीन आमकां NOC दिल्ली आसा 350. आता 160 ते दवरतात आनी बाकीचे मोडटात.
केन्ना NOC दिले तुमकां?
NOC आमकां 2013
मागीर
मागीर हांवें घर बांदलें. 2016 म्हजें कंप्लीट जालें. आता 2024 चालू आसा घर बांदून. आता आमकां नोटीस येता की तुमचे एरिया चड आसा एक्स्ट्रा त्या खातीर आतां मोडपाक लागले. आमचे सगळे कडेन NOC आसा, पंचायतीचे आसा, PD आसा, नेव्हीचे आसा, आमची प्रॉपर्टी पर्सनली प्रॉपर्टी आसा, सेलेट सगळें आसा. तरी आमकां आतां जबरदस्तीन तोडपाक लागले. सगळें परमिशन दिला, नेव्हीचे दिला, तरी मागीर PDन पास केला आमचे प्लॅन. PDच्याच आमी पंचायतीन आमकां कन्स्ट्रक्शन लायसन्स दिला, ऑक्युपन्सी दिला, नो ऑब्जेक्शन सर्टिफिकेट सगळें आसा. 2016 आमी घर कंप्लीट केला विथ सगळें परमिशन घेवन आमी काम केलां.
त्यांना हाईट किती दिलेली तुमकां?
350.
3 मीटर 50.
हय नेव्हीचे NOC आसा 350 आसा आमचे.
आणि आता किती म्हणटा?
आता म्हणटा 180 कार्ड म्हणटा ते.
वयल्यान
350चे 340चे आहा म्हजो स्लॅब आता 10 सेंटी अजून कमीच आसा. तितूंतले 180 आनी कार्ड म्हणटात. आता 160 उरता 130 उरता सॉरी. सध्या आपण हे एक्सेप्ट करना न्ही. आता चालू आमचे आज काल हियरिंग जालें आमचे. मग मातशे डॉक्युमेंट्स पळोवपाक टायम भायर जालो. टायम घेतला 26 पर्यंत आमकां टायमींग दिला तेणें. PDको आमी सबमीट केला पेपर सकाळी फुडें आज सबमीट केला तरी हांगा कांय एक्सेप्ट करना.
3 साल हुआ बांध के सब PD से सब परमिशन सब मिला, पंचायत से मिला, PD से मिला, नेवी सब परमिशन है हमारा. अभी डिनोमिनेशन करने के लिए आए हैं. उनको थोड़ा टाइम भी नहीं दे रहा है वो कुछ किधर देने के लिए. 8 दिन के अंदर ही तो ज़्यादा और एक 10 दिन टाइम नहीं हमको कुछ आगे थोड़ा देखने के लिए. 2 दिन टाइम दे रहा हमको. अब 1 मीटर हमारा निकालने के बोल रहा है. हमारा रोड से 3 मीटर बराबर है. 1 मीटर निकालता है 2 मीटर रखता करके बोल रहे. 1 मीटर जाने के बाद हम क्या करें, हमारा घर कैसा रहेगा.
Residents of Anjana along with local MLA Michael Lober convened with Chief Minister Pramod Sawant on Tuesday. Hearing their grievances, Chief Minister Sawant assured that the government will intervene in the matter and will approach the Supreme Court to help structures that have constructions and business licenses. Watch.
हायकोर्टात जी ऑर्डर पास केल्या पळय रे इट इज एन व्हेरी एक्चुअली तशी पळोवंक वचत जाल्यार लोकां खातीर लिगल काही स्ट्रक्चरां आसलेली उदा जर रॉंग पंचायत आनी सेक्रेटरी हांच्यांनी कितें तरी रॉंग कोर्टान सांगलें किंवा रॉंग एफिडेविट दिलें बट तेजे लोकां खातीर जे आहा पळय न्ही योग्य न्हू जेच्या कडेन कन्स्ट्रक्शन लायसन आसा जो ट्रेड लिगली बिजनेस करता तेजेय बी अशा पद्दतीन सील करप योग्य न्ही आमी सांगला की हायकोर्टान इंटरव्हीन फायल करचें बट गव्हर्मेंट इज ऑल्सो फायलिंग द इंटरव्हीन इन द सुप्रीम कोर्ट against that order in the favor of people those who are having the legal construction license and a legal business license त्यांका दिवपा खातीरच गव्हर्मेंट त्यांका मदत करपाक तयार आहा रेस्ट ऑल त्यांका
सेक्रेटरीची मिस्टेक आसा ती कोणाची असाच सेक्रेटरीची मिस्टेक असाच.
In the wake of the recent fatal accident on Poraskade Naikbagh Junction, locals have urged the authorities for immediate construction of a flyover. Locals of Perne, along with the authorities, visited the Naikbagh Junction of Poraskade, Perne for the construction of a flyover on Tuesday. The Naikbagh Junction is considered an accident-prone area as the highway has witnessed numerous fatal accidents due to lack of a flyover. Frustrated locals questioned the government for not accounting responsibility and demanded the flyover to be built immediately.
On Tuesday, locals of Perne stormed at Naikbagh Junction along with local MLA and authorities for the construction of a flyover. Despite the issue being raised in the assembly, no action has been taken till now. The authorities have given assurance by installing signals at Poraskade and Donkhamb, Dhargad before the flyover construction.
हे रोडाचे सगळे अधिकारी असले त्यांना आमका त्यांच्यानी सांगलेले आम्ही त्यांना सांगले जेन्ना रोड करच्या टायमार पर्रीकरान हांगा देवळान मिटींग घेवन सांगलेली ज्या ज्या जाग्यार जंक्शनां आसा ज्या ज्या जाग्यार लोक वस्ती आहा थंय थंय आपण फ्लायओव्हर करतलो तुमकां कसलो त्रास दिवचो ना हे आम्ही त्यांना पयर हायन सांगलेले मिडियाचेर सुद्धा त्यांना हो पहिली जो आमदार असलो त्यांनी सांगले ना ना ते तुम्ही टेन्शन घेऊ नका आमदार बाबू आजगावकर उपमुख्यमंत्री असलो त्यांनी सांगले भास्कर आम्ही वर दिल्ली वचया आणि त्यांच्याकडे उलवूया आणि यांचे किती आसा ते सॉल्व करूया फक्त आमकां आश्वासन दिले कितेंच करूंक ना आणि हे हाडला ते हाडला रोड केला हे खेचून हाडला ते खेचून हाडला आज लोक जे मरतात पळय ते आज आमचे भाव मरतात हे आमकां दुःख मरतात हे श्रेय त्याका दिवंक जाय खरा पण पहिली कोण आमदार आलो त्याच्यामुळे हे रोड असे झाले खंय कटी असे कर खंय कशें कर म्हणून आज ही परिस्थिती झाली आजपर्यंत कितले जाण मेले हांगा कितले भाव जाण गेले आमचे म्हणून सरकाराकडे हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता खंय तरी ह्या लक्ष घाला आमच्या पेडण्या भागान या खाजण्या मेरे पोरसगडी पंचायतीच्या क्षेत्रात उगीच आश्वासना दिवू नका. आता सर जसं सांगता पहिली आम्ही 3 फावटी काम बंद केलं अशीच आंदोलन केली 2 महिन्या पहिली हांगा बंद केले आम्ही काम स्टॉप देवले परत ये रे माझ्या मागले परत काम चालू केले हां फक्त आमका भूल ताप हय करता म्हणटा आणि हे लास्ट सांगता हे जे आता इलेक्शन येतले लोकसभेचे इलेक्शन आहे मागीर सरकारान म्हणपाचें न्हू तुम्ही पेडणेकरांनी अशें कित्याक केले काय म्हणून पहिलीच शिटकावणी दिता लोकसभेच्या पहिली हांगाची व्यवस्था आमची ही आमकां चालू करून दिवपाची.
Goa Cooperative Workers Union has staged a one-day strike against management's failure to disperse the revised variable dearness allowance owed to the workers. Employees have expressed their dissatisfaction at the failure to fulfill the revised VDA of 42% from 1st January 2023 and 46% from 1st July 2023, in accordance with the settlement dated 27th August 1981. Watch.
Justice! We demand justice! We demand justice! We demand justice!
So this is a one-day strike call given by employees of Marketing Federation, and this strike call is because VDA rise the management is not giving us. Every 6 months, government declares a VDA rise, and 1st January 23, 42% DA was to be paid. They have not paid. 1st July 23, 46% DA that was to be increased has not been increased. So we are demanding that a rise in VDA management should pay. Management has not paid and they are saying they will not pay. That is not acceptable to the employees because as per settlement they have to pay increase in VDA. they have to pay increase in VDA. And the reason management is giving is that we don't have sufficient business. Government has taken away all their business and given to other private hands. We would also request the government to route their business to the local cooperative federations. Local cooperative federations should survive, and all local employees they employ, and they should get employment for local people. So government also should extend full support to the institution, local institution, as far as business is concerned.
Okay, so today all outlets are closed?
Yeah, all marketing federations are closed today, and they are on strike today. 1 day strike.
1 day strike?
Yeah.
From tomorrow it will continue?
Yes, tomorrow it will continue working.
Managing Director of Smart Corporation Sanjeet Rodriguez on Monday said that they have managed to change the narrative from nothing is happening to work is happening as far as Smart City work is concerned. In this edition of Street Voices, Team Herald spoke to several people to know their perspective on the claim of Smart City MD on the completion of works. And what do they think about when will that tomorrow's gain come for the pain that people face due to Smart City works?
The deadline given for the smart city works to be completed seems to be another false promises given, which politicians normally do during propaganda of elections. So the deadline given up to 31st May will be very difficult to achieve because the works are still going in haphazard manner. Suddenly one road is closed, entire road is closed. Next moment another road is closed. Suddenly another road is dug. You go to cross the road, pollution takes place. Huge amounts of dust are up. The people don't know which way to go. Chaos, traffic chaos. There's still no supervision, no planning, no coordination between departments. Some broken pipes, water pipes are broken. Some gas pipes are broken. Some places leaks are there. So work is still carried on in a very shabby, haphazard manner without any proper supervision. I call upon the people of Panjim, especially senior residents, to be alert, to raise the issue with your elected representative as well as with the officials of the Smart City Panjim works.
Question which has been answered in different manner by not only me but by other people as well. That pain will not go because there is huge corruption. There is a carrying a damn attitude to what people are suffering. And again, what I have also said before, this government is a sledgehammer majority government, and there's no opposition. So the only hope is the opposition of the people, and one day they will be overthrown, or at least as a better opposition in terms of numbers. I don't see pain going. We have possibly been deadened by the extent of pain. Because person like me, I'm a very active person, but it is falling on deaf ears. So have we given up? I don't think we have given up. We are waiting for a better time. But having said that, we have got some very good people who are working on ground. I have got great hope in my neighbor Patricia Pinto. I've always said that she's doing a great job. She's challenging governments on various fronts, including going to the court and the High Court. High Court also has been pretty good with her and with others as well. So the pain of the smart city difficult because damage is permanent. Quality of work also is very bad, and people have died. So difficult question. I think people are already fed up of this, and maybe that is one thing also which the government is happy with. So you are fed up means you're not bothered to react. I think they are very happy about it. Dale log fed up dale, and lokache other reaction asto na. So they think they have escaped it. No, I don't think they have escaped anything of this sort. A time will come when we have to teach them a lesson, not because we want any revenge, not because we are against a particular government or a particular party, but it is basically going against the people of India. Simple as that. I don't think I can say much more. I've said enough.
Smart city basically लोकांक पणजेकारांक बरें आयुश्य जगपा खातीर किंवा तांचो हॅपीनेस इंडेक्स जो आसा तो बरो जावपा खातीर ही स्मार्ट सिटी खरी म्हणल्यार जावपाक जाय आशिल्ली आयडियल सिटी in Goa, not only in Goa but in entire India. कारण जे 100 cities ज्यो हे केल्ल्यो वेचिल्ल्यो फॉर स्मार्ट सिटी तातूंतली पणजी एक सिटी आशिल्ली. गोवा बींग अ स्मॉल स्टेट आणि पणजी तातूंतल्यान एक ल्हानशें एक तातूंतली एक सिटी आनी कॅपिटल दिशिल्लें की जेन्ना 2016 हें सुरू जाल्लें स्मार्ट सिटी तें काम टायमार सुरू जावन ज्या पद्दतीन त्या वेळार इमॅजिन पणजी म्हणून आमकां जे दाखयल्लें की कशा पद्दतीचें काम आसतलें ते एकंदरीत तो जर विचार केलो जाल्यार काम सुरळीतपणे इतल्यान सोपूंक जाय आशिल्लें आनी लोकांक व्यवस्थीत एक सिटी जी आसा ती एन्जॉय करपाक मेळूंक जाय आशिल्ली, नॉट ओन्ली फॉर द पीपल ऑफ पणजे दोज आर रिजायडिंग इन पणजी बट ऑल्सो दोज आर विजिटींग पणजी. पण आत्ताचें जर काम जर पळयत ज्या पद्दतीन हें काम चालू आसा ते जर लक्षांत घेत जाल्यार पणजेकारांचे अजून हाल जे आसा ते अजून कमी जावना, किंबहुना हे येता ते पावसात कळून चुकतले की हे खरेंच कमी जाला की आनीक वाडला काय म्हणून. कारण एकंदरीत काम जर पळयत हांगा जर तुमी पळयत ज्या पद्दतीचें काम चालू आसा हे पळय कशें काम चालू आसा. सो दीस इज बेसिकली सामकें सब स्टँडर्ड वर्क. क्युअरिंग टायम आसता फॉर एनी कॉन्क्रीट वर्क ते क्युअरिंग टायम दिला काय म्हणून लास्ट टायम एकदा प्रश्न केला तुम्ही क्युअरिंग टायम दिला काय म्हणून. आणि हे अंडरग्राउंड जे काही गजाली जाल्ले आसा ते कितपर्यंत टिकतले हाजी शाश्वती ना. दुसरी गजाल हांवें म्हणिल्लें की सगळे स्ट्रक्चरल ऑडिट जावचे जितले बिल्डिंग आसा, कित्याक ज्या पद्दतीचे ब्रेकर्स यूज केल्ले ज्या भशेन मशिनरी यूज केल्ली ती जर लक्षांत घेत जाल्यार आजूबाजूचे बिल्डिंगो जे आसात तांच्या फावंडेशनाक मार बसला काय कितें हाजो सुद्दां तुमी विचार करपाक जाय आशिल्ले. पण म्हाका दिसता की हाजो सगळ्याचो विचार जावपाक जाय.
Various departments of the state of Goa conducted a thorough site inspection of the Kandali Bandh in strict compliance with the directives of the National Green Tribunal on Tuesday. The inspection covered the stretch from the Nerul Bridge to Kakula House in Kandali village, with the primary focus on addressing plot violations within survey number 241/1, 240/1 and 239/2 of Kandali village, Bardes Taluka. Watch.
किती जाणं जावंक जाय ते सांग. कंदोली बांद फ्रॉम नेरुल बीच टू काकुलो हाउस हो एक व्हेरी सेन्सिटीव इश्यू जाल्लो आसा गेल्या 2 वर्सांनी. आनी CCFन हो इश्यू जेन्ना लोकांनी नजरेक हाडून दिलो तेन्ना घेतलो आनी फुडें येयलो. CRZक GCZM जी ऑथॉरिटी आहा तांकां कंप्लेन केले. तेंचे हो जो बांद पळय आसा तो WRD करता. पण WRDचो जो डिझायन आसा पळय इट इज अ टोटली डिस्ट्रक्टीव ऑफ एनवायरमेंट, डिस्ट्रक्टिवेशन ऑफ बायोडायवर्सिटी. सायडीन तुमी पळयशात जाल्यार कॉन्क्रिटाची एक तेंच्यांनी बेज घातला. थंयचे कितलेच मॅनग्रोव्ज आसले ते कातरल्या तेणी ते आमी दाखोवनूय दिल्लेले आसा विथ द फोटोग्राफ्स एंड एविडन्स. एक पोंय आसली फुडें ती तेंच्यांनी पुरोवन थंयसर तेंच्यांनी ब्युटिफिकेशन कितें करता म्हणून एक प्लॅन तेंचो. जेन्ना रिसोर्सीस तुमचे कडेन आसा, नॅचरल रिसोर्सीस जी पोंय आसा हे सांबाळचे सोडून ते पुरोवन तेचेर दुसरेंच कितें तरी करपाचें एक प्रयत्न हो WRDन केल्लो आसा. आतां हो बांद पळयशी जाल्यार थंयसर नेरूल ब्रिजा कडसून उणेंत उणें 700 मिटर्स पयस आसा. आनी हेची वीथ जी पयलीं 2.5 मिटर आसली ती आतां तेंच्यांनी तर कॉन्क्रीट हें जाल्यार ते ऑलमोस्ट अरावंड 8 मिटर्स एके कडेन लागता, थोडे कडेन 10 मिटर लागता आनी थोडे कडेन टनाक तेंच्यांनी 22 मिटर सुद्दां पुरयल्ली आहा. हाचेर आमी ऑब्जेक्शन घातलेलें. बाबा इतले तुमी वीथ कित्याक 3 मिटर बांद तुमी रिटेन करतात, कोणाचें ऑब्जेक्शन नासलें. पण तेंचे पॉलिसीज वेगळ्योच आसा. इट इज लायक गिवींग द बेनिफिट्स टू द बिल्डर्स. अशें आयकून येयल्यार सायडीची जी जमनां आहा, पाड जमीन आहा, जी मॅनग्रोव्ज आसा ती सगळी बिल्डरांनी एक्वायर केल्ली म्हणून आयकून येयलां. आनी हें जे डेवलपमेंट कितें करता दॅट इज नॉट फॉर द विलेज, इट इज इन द इंट्रस्ट ऑफ द बिल्डर लॉ. त्या खातीर आमी हेचेर ऑब्जेक्शन घातलेलें. आनी आयचें जें इन्स्पेक्शन जें जाता इट इज वन द डायरेक्टिव्ज ऑफ नॅशनल ग्रीन ट्रिब्युनल. थंय आमी आमचें पेटिशन फायल केलां आनी तेंच्या डायरेक्शनाचे प्रमाणे आयचें इन्स्पेक्शन जाता. आनी हो इन्स्पेक्शन रिपोर्ट जो कितें आहा तो ते NGTक ते सबमीट करतले.
South Goa District Hospital continues to suffer due to unused ICU, doctor shortage, even after several inspections and assurances by the Health Minister on the floor of the house. The condition came to light after Fadauta MLA Vijay Sardesai conducted an inspection of the hospital.
In a surprise visit by Fadauta MLA, South Goa District Hospital continues to face shortage of doctors for ICU wards. The inspection carried out on 26 September 2023 was aimed at addressing concerns regarding the closure of the ICU ward due to lack of equipment. While government-provided equipment has since been acquired, the ICU remains unused due to the ongoing doctor shortage. Sardesai said that the hospital will be fully functional by May 30th on Goa Statehood Day.
Article 21 of the Constitution, which is right to health. It is the right of every Indian citizen to have the best of health facilities. ह्यो facilities सरकारान दिवपाचे सरकाराची कायदो जाता, सरकाराचे कर्तव्य जाता. हे साईट केल्लें आहा आनी तांणी सांगलां की द हॉस्पिटल शूड बी फुल्ली फंक्शनल. हातून कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट येतलो आनी कितें येतलें ही तुमकां एक्सक्यूज दिवपाक मेळचें ना. आनी तांणी कॉम्प्लायन्स बाय 20th एप्रील फायल करूंक जाय आनी 30th एप्रील म्हणल्यार गोवा स्टेटहूड डे, 30th मे गोवा स्टेटहूड डे म्हणल्यार हें हॉस्पिटल कंप्लीट जावंक जाय. आनी हें जर जायना जाल्यार वी वील हॅव टू मूव ऑन कंटेम्प्ट अगेन्स्ट द गव्हर्मेंट अगेन. सो ताजे पयलीं आतां 26 सप्टेंबर टू आज मेरेन कितें बदल जाल्या तुमकां खबर आहा कित्याक तेन्नाय तुमी आमचे बरोबर हांगा आयिल्ले. तेन्नाय हें ICU लॉक आसलें, आतांय तें ICU लॉक आसा. दोतोराचे प्रमाणे तांचे कडेन सगळ्यो फॅसिलिटी आसा, तांचे कडेन ना ते फक्त दोतोर, म्हणल्यार रिक्रुटमेंट इज अ इशू. आतां तांणी हें केल्लो आहा, अनाउन्समेंट केल्लो आसा आनी एडवर्टिजमेंट रिलीज केला टू रिक्रूट पीपल.
Mohit Karangate for RLTV.
A massive fire engulfs the dry grass at Kolwale on Tuesday afternoon. Local residents quickly called the fire department upon noticing the flames. With the quick response of the fire department team, the spread of the fire was averted, causing any further damages.
On Tuesday afternoon, a massive fire broke out at Kolwale, engulfing the dry grasses. The cause of the ignition is not known yet, but as per the locals, some unknown person might have started the fire that spread rapidly in the entire area. Firefighters quickly doused the fire and prevented it from spreading further. Bureau Report, Herald TV.
Residents of Kalvi Aldona held a memorial service on Monday, February 19th for the 6 victims, including 4 primary school girls who died in the Kalvi bus tragedy 12 years ago. The tragic incident occurred on February 18th, but the prayer service was held on February 19th to pray for the victims' souls.
Residents of Kalvem Aldona on Monday prayed for the souls of 6 victims, which included 6 schoolgirls, to mark the 12th anniversary of the tragic bus tragedy. Over 40 villagers gathered at the ferry wharf where the tragedy took place and prayed for the souls of Elvina Dice, 13, her sister Diana Dice, 4, Josephine Dice, 58, Nigal Gracious, 10, all from Kalvem. It may be recalled that a passenger bus plunged into the river at Corona on February 18, 2012, killing 6 victims. The incident had stunned the entire state and there was an outpouring of grief.
आमी आयज लादाईन केल्या आमच्या खुर्साक हांगासर ट्रेजेडी जाल्ली 4 भुरगीं आनी 2 एडल्ट हांगा उदकान पडोन आपणाचे जीव गेल्लो. सो तांच्या आत्म्या पासत आमी आयज तांच्या आत्म्या पासत आमी आयज तांकां ह्या खुर्साक तेज केला.
आयज आमी हिंगासर आमचे भुरग्यांची चौग भुरगीं आनी 2 एडल्ट्स हिंगासर भुरगीं ट्रेजरी जाल्ली ती मेल्यार काल तांकां 12 वर्सां जाली आनी आयज आमी हिंगा एक फुरसा आमी लादाईन केल्या तांचो उगडास केला आमी सगळीं आमची भाव भयणां एकठांय जावन.
Bureau Report, Herald TV.
In an exhilarating match at the DSYA ground on Monday, Davalin Sports Club emerged victorious, blanking Davalin Villagers Union with a commanding 2-0 scoreline to secure their place in the finals of the 13th Wilred Leisure SC Cup, organized by Wilred Leisure SC Kurturi. The first half witnessed some close calls, with Davalin's Agnello Colasso missing a crucial opportunity to tap the ball into an open net in the 24th minute. On the other hand, Presley Gomes of Davalin Villagers' left footer narrowly missed the target just before halftime.
In the second session, Davalin Villagers exerted pressure, with Sandroy Costa's powerful shot being punched away for a corner by Davolin's goalkeeper Francisco Coleco. The pivotal moment arrived in the 44th minute when Rosen Coleco of Davolin netted a header from a corner taken by Prince Figueredo. In the injury time, Ajay Raj of Davolin added to the lead with a solo effort, beating the defence and goalkeeper, Inacio Noronha for Herald TV.
That's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching Herald TV News. For more news and alerts, please follow us on Heraldo on Facebook and Twitter. Take care and goodbye.